Welcome back to my channel for another video. So here we go again, guys, the FTSE 100. The FTSE 100 on the European Open. Same again, time after time after time, it's the same thing. But it's the same thing because this is my reality. This is what I do every single day, 5 days a week. The FTSE on the European Open, the Dow Jones on the European Open, not the European Open, the US Open, and the Dow Jones on the US close. This is what I do 5 days a week, 3 times a day. Day after day after day, after day after day after day. And there is a specific reason why I stick to these predominantly 2 futures. Is because you get to know them. It's like driving the same car every single day. You get to know it, you get to know the movements, you get to know the characteristics. And this is what I'm trying to convey to all of you out there, is that it's a very, very good idea to stick with the same instruments day after day after day instead of swapping and changing all the time. So give it a shot, give it a go. As usual, guys, make sure that you smash that like button. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to contact me, you can contact me on my Instagram, and that's sambor.00. I also have a website. So the link to my website is in my bio on my Instagram page. And if you want to find out more about what me and my students do, have a look at the website. Feel free to send me a message. I always reply. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. £627 while eating breakfast. No lie, while eating breakfast. Okay, so here we go. It's the European Open, and this is the FTSE 100, otherwise known as UK 100 on my broker. So the market opened 3 minutes ago there, as you can see. So I'm just waiting for my entry. So my entries are based on patterns, and there's my entry there. Okay, so that blue line, that's where I've entered. So again, same thing as usual, guys. Oh my God, look at that bullish movement. So it's the same thing again. You know, I trade using 2 patterns, and that's it. Day in, day out, the same 2 patterns. Now I've went in a little bit late there, to be fair. I have went in late, but I wanted to make sure that that my patterns were forming. So it's just pulling back there a little bit. But I am happy to hold this for now, because the positive rhetoric on the fiscal stimulus bill that was signed by the President Donald Trump is having a profound positive impact on the European market. It's opened this week, or the FTSE 100 is only open today after the Christmas break. So we knew we were going to see some form of rally, and that's the logic behind me holding this for now, is because I think that positive rhetoric is going to bring in longs here, and we'll get a few bullish moves. I don't think it's going to shoot for the stars. I mean, it's already kind of rallied there, as you can see. I think the rally's got a little bit to go because it's only 4 minutes into the open now. So I will hold this. I know I'm not going to get a huge return out of this, but once I see it pushing up just a little bit, I'll just take that small profit, and it's again, you know, it's another opportunity. And this is why it's important that you're embedded in the market, you know, that you're aware of global events and what's happening, and that gives you confidence. It gives you confidence to hold positions like this, because you know what the news is, or the rhetoric is, or the market sentiment behind these movements that are taking place, because this is all on the back of that fiscal stimulus bill. So I know that these longs that are coming in, this is all to do with positive sentiment, so it's risk on. So the European market is risk on. And will I take this? Will I take this profit? A little bit too late there, wasn't I? Shot back down. I was going to take that. I was going to take that 400 odd pounds, but it was too late. I should have took it quicker, didn't I? I should have. It's too late now. So I'm going to look for roughly the same again, hopefully, and I'll just pull the plug on it, unless I think it's going to push up a little bit more, which it might do. It definitely wants to go bullish, and that is them longs coming in. Look, yeah, fair enough, them little pullbacks there, that'll be longs liquidating again. You know, this will be day traders coming in with big positions, literally coming in for a matter of seconds with these big positions and liquidating, causing it to pull back temporarily, and that's what that is. And then it's pushing back up through them resistance levels again. So none of this is random, you know, all of these movements, it's not random, there's something behind it. You know, these longs are continuing to come in, the volume on these longs are continuing to come in, pushing the volume through these bullish movements up through these resistance levels. Yeah, they're being pushed back, there's been rejections there, but still trying to do it. Will I take this now? 500 odd pounds. Will I take it? I think we can get squeezed just a little bit more out of this. I do think I can squeeze a little bit more because it's not quite reached the highs. You can see the green candle over the other side with the long wick. You know, it's an indication. Well, that it's not the indication. That's the indicator that we've not yet reached them highs. Okay, because that was the high that was previously there. So it's not like it's making new highs or looking to make new highs. So it's still operating in that range, and I think it can get back up to that range again at that price. And that green candle with the long wick, I think we can get up to that point again, and that's exactly what it's trying to do. It is trying to perform these bullish movements, and you know, we're continuing to see volume coming in on these longs, and I'm not too worried about these pullbacks because again, that'll be these longs liquidating, taking profit, taking pressure off the top end, causing it to pull back a little bit, and I probably won't get much more out of this. I'm just looking for a couple of bullish movements and then I'm done. I'm out. I am happy to hold this because I know that my patterns are forming, and I know it's still operating in that safety range where I don't need to be concerned that it's going to have a massive pullback, because I don't think it will. But I probably need to be taking profits pretty quick now. I'm just waiting for a couple of bullish movements and then I'm out. So come on, FTSE, give me that bullish movement. Give me that bullish movement. I know you can do it. I'm just waiting for more longs now to come in and push that candle up down through the resistance levels just like that again. Look, see that? Come on. Yeah, there we go. Yep. So I'm happy, I'll take that. Delighted with that.
So there you have it, guys. £627 while eating breakfast. Who else can make 600 odd pounds while eating breakfast? There's not many people. Okay, so as I said, if you want to find out more about what it is that I do and my students, send me a message, look at my website. My team is growing every single day. No word of a lie. Every single day my team is growing. And there's a reason why it's growing. There's a reason. A reason why it's growing every single day, because people can see the consistency. They can see it in my videos, and then when they come over to my family, into my financial community, it's confirmed. The confirmation of what they've seen me do on YouTube is confirmed live. So as usual, guys, make sure that you smash that like button. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to contact me, you can contact me at my Instagram, and that's sambora.00. Have a look at my website if you want to find out more about what me and my students do 3 times a day, 5 times a week. 5 times a week. Have a good week.